Yeah, what is it? Look, this is why.
What? You. Yeah. All English.
Why? Yes, look,
This is called as Comarca. And the plant which it grows, it is this one. See, this is a plant.
What is this?
Yeah, that is a root. And this is a plant. This is a big,
nice
medicinal plant.
Nice item.
And this plant.
See this.
Yeah, this is catchy.
Yeah, fine. Fantastic.
Yeah, the black color inside this one, it's very fine. It's very fine. And this is the plant. This species, it is always seen in Australia. And this is, see, like the leaves it is like this one Kupachira. Okay, and the main surgeon, it is coming back. He's from Uganda.
Shoe.
This is called Nellika. This is called
Yeah. Make it as a round. Make it as a round. Yeah. I know.
This is also like
Yeah. Puri manenge. This is bedakuna. See this kuna.
And this one, you can see that plant. That is Betam. Okay, you can see that Bedam. It is a see. Bedam. And from this way, if you go, okay.
Zoom.
Okay.
അടിച്ചോ.
Okay.
നടന്നു. എടാ നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഗുഹയുടെ cameraman, please come.
Cameraman, just come.
This is a big guha. It's seen only in India. Only in Cochin country, Canada.
Great curve. Usually this curve it is always seen in South Africa. There one big animal it is there. That animal name it is a rat. Huge rat. That animal it is always seen in India. See, like
it's mainly in Kerala.
This one this is a place where this rat lay eggs. Understood? And this rat is specially
It's enough for India. It's okay. Water. ഇനി എല്ലാരും ഒന്ന് മിണ്ടായിരുന്നേ. ആ കിളിയുടെ സൗണ്ട് മാത്രം കേൾക്കാം. നമുക്ക് ആ പാറയുടെ മേളിൽ കയറിയാ പറ്റുന്നതാണ്. We can climb that tower and we can fully പഴുത്ത്. എന്റെ പൊന്നടിയാ ചൊറിയെണ്ണ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. Chori means eating plants.
This is a type of pallichoriana. See, like
if you touch in the body, it will.
Once if you touch this plant, it will get itching. It will start. Understood? Then for that treatment, only we can do communist special. You will get. And communist special, you have to this one wipe from the top bottom to that is the contaminated area to left contaminated area. Understood? And this principle it is we will be using in hand washing. Understood? It is medical and surgical. ഈ കാട്ടിൽ മാത്രം കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരു സൺഫിഷ് വെറൈറ്റി സൺഫിഷിന്റെ കവർ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. This type of biscuit is only seen in cotton.
So we can climb this side like this.
See.
എനിക്ക് ഇറങ്ങല്ലേ.
Wow. This is one of the this is African monkey. Yeah.
മോളിൽ കയറിയിട്ട് ഇതേ അപ്പുറത്തെ ആ കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
This is a special variety. This is a special variety. It's only thing. And for this animal, we will be giving human hormones. We will be injecting into this person. Morning one, like that is BID. Morning one, night time one. After that.
BD injections we are giving 6 a.m. 6 p.m.
Yeah.
BD medicines we are giving 8 a.m. 8 p.m.
Yeah. Usually, for what purpose?
മോള് പാറത്തുണ്ട്.
This is an ancient curve.
മോളെ ഏറ്റവും മോള് കിട്ടും.
വെളി പറയുന്നത് വെള്ളം സൂപ്പർ.
എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഗുഹ.
You can now this one, the camera is showing one cave. This cave it had made in 1920. That time there was one princess and one king.
That princess is the very beautiful lady in the world.
Okay, ഞാൻ അതിൽ ഇറങ്ങി നീ ഇവിടെ നിൽക്ക്, അതിൽ ഇറങ്ങി വരാം.
I will go this way, man. I will go this way.
No thanks.
ഞാൻ ഇതുവഴി ഇറങ്ങാം. എൻ്റെ എടുക്കണേ.
Hi camera, hi.
ഞാൻ ഇതുവഴി ഇറങ്ങാം. നിർത്തിക്കേ. വെറൈറ്റി പിടിക്കാം, വെറൈറ്റി. താഴെ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വെറൈറ്റി ആക്കി.
എടാ വേര് പൊട്ടിയാ തീർന്നു. It's a true cut die.
സ്ലോ മോഷനില് ആ ഗുഹയുടെ അകത്തോട്ട് നിന്ന് മൂത്രം.
അല്ല നീ camera shoot. Here I am going to give a description, a small description about this cave. This is one of the see like Mr. Nabil Nasir. He is from US.
Koilatti.
He is one of the famous scientists. This type of scientist only seen in US.
Somewhere they are old. Like this they are made this cave.
In fact, there's so many types of things. അതെ കഴിയുള്ളവനൊക്കെ സമയം കഴിക്കാനുള്ള. Only one of our famous king of India. Why he is not showing up his face? He doesn't like the show his face because he is very ashamed of the human being. Understood? And here means that. തിരിച്ചു എണ്ണം കാണാൻ പയ്യൊക്കെ പോകാം. ഭാഗ്യമുണ്ടെ കാണാൻ പോവാം. We are going to take a risk. So next time, if God gives us a chance, we'll see again. Hey.